Echelon kicks you out of the Peloton if you aren't always online. Smart home gym equipment manufacturer Echelon has pushed a firmware update to their devices that removes online functionality. What? Now, whenever users want to do a quick session on their bike, they mean offline?
Yes.
Okay. That removes offline functionality.
That's a horrible typo. I will fix that.
Okay, cool. I actually didn't, just dyslexia that. Now, whenever users want to do a quick session on their bike, the device must log in to Echelon servers, or the home exercise device won't be able to do anything other than its primary function, hanging your laundry. Great line. I have seen that a surprising amount of times. Users that don't have an internet connection won't be able to use Bluetooth for pairing a phone, tracking with third-party apps, and they won't be able to do a manual workout?
That is wild. To be clear, we're using the term Peloton as like a generic.
It's just smart bike?
Yeah, they just smart gym equipment.
Got it. Okay. So Echelon's multiple smart gym equipment things.
As pointed out in a blog post by app developer Roberto Viola, this means that should Echelon go out of business, these exercise bikes would be essentially bricked.
I would very clearly and definitely not buy anything from them for sure unless this was seriously changed.
Can you imagine
they make everything, dude.
Can you imagine working for any regulatory body right now and being more concerned about, whether Stephen Colbert is making fun of an elected official rather than figuring this out? The amount of waste and garbage that is going to be produced, not maybe,
immense amounts,
going to be produced in the next 10 years is going to be immeasurable.
Especially gym equipment?
Yeah, why?
You can use gym equipment for
it's a motor.
Time. Yeah.
It's a motor.
Yeah. A lot of them are often even extremely repairable because they are quite basic. Not because they've been made to be repairable, but just because they're quite basic.
I love this. Seth Jones in Floatplane Chat says, when do we rename smart devices to enshittified devices? It's so right, though.